The following program is produced by students of the Brian Lamb School of Communication at Purdue University.
And good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful start to your Wednesday. For those of you who ventured out to your classes this morning, you may have noticed it is a sunny start to your day, and it's going to be sunny out there and cool conditions expected. It's a completely different scene than what we saw yesterday with that snow on the ground. And then, of course, with the arrival of spring, we will have to be dealing with the spring rains as they will be returning to our area. It'll be a little bit wet out there, so today would probably be a good time to find that umbrella. And then after the system comes through, we will be drying out and could be warming up a little bit for the weekend forecast. I'm sure many of you will actually enjoy that. Now, before we go into the warmth, let's just take a step back and describe how cold it's really been this month so far. Yesterday, I'm sure many of you noticed that it has been a pretty chilly day with a high of 33 degrees. The normal for this time of year, 54. That's a 21-degree temperature departure from normal. And just to give a broader view, for March alone, 18 out of the past 25 days have been below the normal for this time of year. That's almost 8 degrees from what we should be seeing for this time of year. Our average temperature, not even reaching the freezing mark. We will be seeing an increase in temperatures though for the next couple of days, so we should be notching out a little bit of this cold air that we've been experiencing. Our radar, nothing to worry about right now. There's not even a single cloud in the sky, so we shouldn't be dealing with anything. But for this time tomorrow, if you look at the left-hand portion of your screen, you're going to see some rain push into the area, and that's going to overspread the Lafayette area tomorrow morning and should be remaining pretty much throughout the entire part of the day. So we could see some breaks in the rain, but it's going to be a little bit of a soggy day out there. Well, I'll be back here with your 7-day forecast. Right now, I'll toss it over to Lauren with the news updates.
Thanks, Gino. Good morning, Purdue. I'm Lauren Westberg with your local news. As heating bills decrease with the slowly warming weather, water bills could be coming up. Recently, Indiana American Water's proposed a 16.8 increase on residential services. This would raise each resident's bills approximately $3 per month. However, these changes won't be taking effect too soon. West Lafayette and some other cities have decided to contest this rate hike. Wednesday, the West Lafayette City Board approved a $10,000 agreement with McKinney & Evans attorneys and financial analysts in order to investigate whether this rate hike is truly necessary. Hopefully, the rates will not need to take place in West Lafayette. That's all we have time for this morning. Let's check back with Gino for the rest of the day's weather.
Well, Lauren, it's going to be a pretty pleasant day out there. It'll be a little bit chilly, but at least we got the sun. March sun. A high of 40 degrees here in Lafayette, 40 in Indianapolis, 41 in Bloomington. And then as you step back, you can see all these temperatures in the mid-30s because that warmer air is trying to push in through and filter out that cold air that we've been dealing with the past 24 hours. Now, for those of you who will be going out tonight, maybe studying for some exams after the spring break, clouds will be thickening, a low of 33 degrees and southerly winds at 15 miles an hour. I do expect that the rain is going to be holding off until about the morning hours, but probably around 4 or 5 a.m. we should be seeing some chances of rain pushing through the area. So it's going to be cloudy and periodic rain chances, and it will be breezy out there with a southerly wind of 20 miles an hour. Gusts could be approaching or exceeding 30 miles an hour at times, so it's going to be pretty windy with a high of 48. And then after the system pushes through the area, we will be drying out into Friday or the rest of Friday, and then the weekend looks pretty pleasant out there with temperatures in the 50s. And then Monday, we could see a high temperature of 64 degrees, but with that comes a chance of some more rain into our area. Well, hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. We will be here tomorrow morning with the latest news, sports, and weather updates. Thanks, and have a wonderful rest of your day.